How to recover deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup. Hello everyone, I'm Anna here to guide you. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'll open up your phone setting and then click on search bar. Now in the search bar, search for the option app management. Click on the first thing that appears on your screen, and now here all you need to do is search for the option WhatsApp. Click on that, and now here click on storage, and now here you need to clear all your data. Click on clear data on the bottom of your screen, and now back and open up the file manager. Now here click on storage and then click on Android option on the second. After this click on media, and then here click on com.whatsapp. Now here click on WhatsApp again and click on databases. Here you need to long press on all the files and select all of it. After selecting all you need to do is click on the option of more and copy this. Now simply click on internal shared storage. Here select the option of Android. Simply click on Android and click on the option of data. Now here all you need to do is simply paste it. And in this way you can recover your deleted chats on WhatsApp. So that's it for the video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Please leave in the comments down below. Signing up until next time.